Hello everyone, I'm Alex from Doc365. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a webinar event in Microsoft Teams. This is my Microsoft Teams platform and I am in my calendar section right now. You can go to the calendar section by clicking on calendar option from the left side panel. And as you can see, there is a new meeting button at the top, which allows you to create a meeting. And for creating a new webinar, all you need is to just click on the drop down new meeting button and choose webinar. So this window or the next page that appears is similar to that of a normal meeting. But as you can see, there is an option to customize or create a registration form for people who are supposed to join or register for this particular event. So let's just see how to fill out all the details here. And the first thing here is to give a title for the event. The first step here is to give a title. Let's now just fill all the fields here regarding the webinar you are trying to schedule. So let's just give a quick title here. I'm going to give the title webinar, the benefits of contract lifecycle management on Office 365. This is one of our latest webinars. I'll just use that title here. And the next step is to add the presenters. I will just add the main presenter. Alna will be the main presenter here. You can also add optional presenters by clicking this option. I will just Nitin as a optional presenter as well. You can set the date as well as the time here. I'm using the time slot between 5 to 5:30. It's a 30-minute webinar. You can set up add a location here if required, and then here you can give all other meeting details or webinar details such as overview about the event and the agenda. I'll just keep it as tutorial for now, as I'm creating this event for a tutorial purpose. The next thing you want to do is let's just take a look at the registration form. So click on view registration form app option from the top. So this is the registration form. First thing you want to do is just give a event title here for people to understand. Free webinar sign up. Nice title. I'll just cut short the title here. Contract lifecycle management on Office 365. This will be a nice title for the registration form. And then you can add a description. This can be a welcome note. I'll just put you can add the meeting details or webinar details over here, and then you can add the speakers. So I'll just give Alna's name here, Alna, and you can give a brief description about that speaker here so that the people who are signing up here can understand who is speaking and who is the main person that will be running the event and what are their peculiarities or other details. So I'll just keep it test here. You can give a bio about that person. And next thing is the registration form fields. These are the forms that the attendees will be filling up. The first name, surname, email name are the default fields you get. You can also add any fields if required. Just click on add field and you can add any field you wish the attendees should enter before signing up. I would like to choose a custom question instead of other fields. So I'll just go for the choice option, and I would like to ask a question. So I'll just give two options. First is contract management, and the second option is vendor management. So this helps to understand the attendees better. So I just want to know whether the person who is signing up want to know more about contract management or more about vendor management. Based on that, we can actually adjust the meeting details or the webinar content accordingly, so that the event will be more appealing to people who are registering or attending the meeting actually. And then you can click on copy registration link here if you wish to get the registration link and send it to anyone you want. You can also set up a event banner here. So I'm going to choose an image that I have already set up here. Yeah, this is the image I've created for this. So I'm just uploading it and adjusting it accordingly and click on done. So this is the registration form. And before saving, I would like to view this in webinar as well. Sorry, browser as well. I'm clicking on that option from the top. So let's see when we send a link to someone, how this will look like. Yeah, this is a preview of registration form. Your attendees will see. You don't need to register. Yeah. So this is how the registration form looks. So these are the details they need to fill. And yeah, as we haven't saved the details yet, you can see the full details, obviously. Just click on save here, so that now the form is officially saved. Let's now see how the form looks now. Yeah, now this is exactly how the users will see this. Yeah, this is really cool, and this looks very nice. So let's go back to the form here. Yeah, this is the form. You can click on edits to edit the details more. We are not going to edit it again, as we are happy with the details. And yeah, so everything else is set. You can set the category here if you wish. You can adjust the time zone, response options to require registration for everyone. Yeah, these are all default options. You can use the link from the registration form you copied earlier to share it with others. By clicking on send, you actually send invites to two of the presentees or the presenters. So they will get a meeting invitation as usual. All others need to sign up to get entry to this event. So I'm clicking on send here. So it will automatically get scheduled, and the presenters will get an invitation through email. So they can actually enter the meeting or the event from the link from that invitation as well. So that's how you create a webinar in Microsoft Teams. It looks very cool, and it's very easy, and it's very convenient too. Hope you like this video. We will surely come up with more interesting videos like this. Stay tuned. Have a good day.